So now I will demonstrate with physicality how to use this movement language and this table. We're working with this movement language table. All right, so my movement that I'm going to use as an example is like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Because this movement is primarily footwork and rhythmic and structural, for this first category, I'm going to say this is an earth movement. Now, an earth movement with a water quality. That would be an earth movement because it's primarily structural and footwork, but the quality, the dominant quality, is water, undulation, and expression. Now, the third level of movement level. Because I am leading this movement with my central body, I'm going to call this an earth movement with a water quality, with water, the center of the body, leading the movement. Again, this refers to José Silvestre's technique of intuition triangle, expression triangle, balance triangle.